Water to bona 7. Water 7 bona computer. As bona Andile. Computer my computer. Andile. Usama pull into Andile. Who to Mr. Referee? No. Who to Mr. Referee came on him. Ikandang apa. Eskungatam. SSSB in him. Notching up. Then to shoot over pressure up on the moment that you 6. Enza Ushi Jobona at the Mandela Atunia 6. Batongan and Ras home was speeding. I'll send up again up a crown unit. When it can't have Mabichas and Yamal Kandam, and Mabichas are cleaning. Omgala Karam. It was Zondri up against the Jomanem. The Bakulan Navali, the Eddie Pressure from another Zondri. He attacked to the party of Polichonamaco. One touch football him. As one raise up. One touch football him. But you're a Capatina Mango. He never passed Yelungism. Take a He's a Cholaman. It's all a computer. Mandela Junior 6. I'm a Junior 6 market. I will take the Junior 6. But for the Banavatim, Serena pressure by a computer. I take the computer 360 degrees. Chilerism Zionim. He's a Cholaman. It's all about him. And it's one about him. We are public. But when there's a things are better, always call up El Capitano. Also, tell a computer, my computer. Also, the computer. We are the computer. Saying I'm a same, but they shall by the razor. One test football, but Zamuga Pambidem. And tell a Capatino Mango. We are 12 days a mango. What to Mr. Referee? No, I see you. What to Mr. 1, 2. What to Mr. Big Times offside? He's the Chola 7. I tell you about the 7 pressure by Pelakuna Bas anyway. But when there's attack on things, the bet always call up El Capitano. When I chat about Wakama Piliton. Okay, to Wakama Piliton, but he's a better political committee. Chakol Kiki when I'm pressure by the Razor. He can't have better Razor, the kind of better Mandela Junior 6 and the Maniacom. And the magic verse of Kacharazem. Echiguan Bugali Baglandungu Yamanam Landing we are going to be Pilo. Anxism Kake Paganism. MK on the house. Who call the MK? Who had a kick against Crime Top 16 tournament? Apes Cotinis Government Salem. With Abani Celestis Orlando Amstel Arenam. Ejablenin. Apes Kona. Is a chat all of Polapesapanam. In a Sylvian Banagative. We put him to our penetrative. I can't promise Polaki the training money will take a pressure upon him. He's a Cholabanim. I can't scare him. I can't scare him. Ofunabanim. Ofuna pressure upon him. I'm Chevelism. I can't have Chevelis Polaka pressure by 2 minutes upon him. He may say, come out to Pumela upon him. Only the party pressure upon him that Chevelism. Only the party pressure upon Chevelism. Up next, the Bugani. It will work out upon to again. When I sent him, Tati Kemche Yakob, Opumusa ground in him. Oh, when I Kemche, Emma de la Sertana of Nigas Spina Mahala. That's what I was saying. I was going to tell you that Casino, West Patella and Jeremy Jallo. It is a top 16 tournament. Apes Cotinis come in Seram. Is a church and a polar pressure by the Sabian of one of the Navatim. Where the Raso, the Green Mapper, and you raise up. Excellent. The defender's nightmare. I can't pull out a scary move him. The defender's nightmare is a training button. I'm going to never razor. Like Chata, they keep it on upon him. Letting upon the economic peel up. Again, I'm Chevelism. Open a pressure by the defender's nightmare. I can't scary move him. I'm going to put a pressure by scary move him. I can't go to the Polai Base Pumela upon the Bien Abandoned raise up. Apes continues guns and Jabal come to Matrizio. He will charge on a Polai Column, say, Papesha, and Willow Iso. And it's been a Iso. I can't focus on the Polak. As been a Razo, with a Samuka family, but never Razo. Until Victor a play on him. Pagamida the pressure upon him. Mr. Upside him. He's a bit of computer. Also, I can't call him a same Bagumamba of Chile. I forget China. Again, no Samama Banana. opete 80,000 ephaketheni ithatha namanija thabisho kenyane tournament khona phansi eSempton Stadium uzama asibone emotweni na Mini Cooper Mayema uyathatha Mayema ufuna bathi asibone bathi woka ayithatha ibhola kawoka ebona abantwana beRaiser ukhona mamba kaMthelezi ayibeka phansi dibana necomputer antile ufana waduna ethola bathi ukhathukile bala ngapolo bathi ethola abantwana beRaiser asibone Kapatino Mango enzenjani Mango yakudlula ibhola yakhe eMango uyiphumela ngaphandle izobe seyibena ubona abantwana beRaiser ayithatha beqala ngasemva beRaiser ayibeka phansi pesha phana esandulini sebala bathola Styles ayibeka phansi Twin Styles ultimate referee no I see you computer would you computer come and shake my hand would you computer from Tana Styles come and shake my hand izobe abantwana beRaiser ayithatha Raiser bathola Kapatino Mango ayibeka phansi ya phambili ke ngoko iphakamisa ibhola yakhe one touch football ultimate referee offside ethola 7 ithatha 7 lebona ngebola izobena ngepeshe phambi phana phela bana kade Kapatino Mango ozayithatha Mango ele bhola iqala ngepeshe phana ithatha indoda yabethumela nivi bheka terasishe izobena ngepeshe phambi Kapatino Mango uyathatha Mango ibeka phansi basamukia phambili abantwana beRaiser ukhona China imoto encane Mini Cooper bathi gibela masambe asalusalelane asibone Mayema gibela sambe mntanami asalusalelane ebeka phansi wonke football bathola 7 netete chithu mshebelezi manje na junior 6 ama junior 6 amathe bathola scary move the defenders nightmare one touch football ukhethi kubona ngaphola scary move ethola ama 7 uyathatha ama 7 ushaya cover ngeskipping ethola Stars sebenza peshe phana yefana mtela asabelo ubeka phansi sabelo iphola yakhe uthi mtela play on lethi mathatha iphola kasebelo iphumela ngaphandle izobe seyibena bona manje peshe phana manje na junior 6 bayithatha bayiphosa imoto encane Mini Cooper gibela sambe mntanami bathi mosaluselelani gibela sambe mntana mosaluselelani asibonge izothatha la phola peshe phana besibena scary move akona kick eningeza bona mntana Mandela junior 6 abantwana base Havana wede Mandela junior 6 izothatha la phola scary move mashaka na itende iphakamisa iphola yakhe izothola imbani ngoba ntaba peshe phana boxini ayibambe yebo nozinto athi mthere free play on uEbenedict ayithatha ibeka phansi iphola yakhe peshe phana mtana izothola Stars uyathatha Stars uthola Loyizo basamukia phambili Raiser Mshebelezi yaphethe ngomshebelezi Mshebelezi uyayithatha Mshebelezi ikhuphela ngaphandle iphola yakhe izobe abantwana beRaiser ithola Loyizo uyayithatha iphosa Loyizo othe maxesha amkile madoda entosa ukuthi iyathathwa la phola peshe phana iyakhotywa ayikhona ithola bana abantwana beRaiser bayibeka phansi bayibuza iqabana sekunene izokhotywa kusini bayithatha bayigoba lethe madodeni lephola leyo akaphuma umhlolo ekhaya ukhona ngasemva peshe pha China Mshebelezi ina uthatha abantwana beRaiser azolenza njani uyaphuma umhlolo ekhaya ibe necomputer 360 degrees asamukia phambili afuna scary move excellent ayikhona namhlanje scary move akana plan tukwaphela substitution yenziwa ngabo bona abantwana bakwaphesheya phana the Raiser benza ushintsho bona abantwana beRaiser bayamkhupha phesheya phana mfana mtana Styles bafuna ukufaka Arakhale bafuna ukufaka aphesheya phana ude mfana mdala Arakhale iqanda ngapha iyathatha iposela phana ithola abantwana bephesheya phana the Raiser iphakamisa Aloyise ithumela phambili izathola imbani ukhona phesheya phana Sabelo akayifumananga iphola Sabelo ibe seyibena abantwana beRaiser bayithatha bayigoba lethe madoda lephola ithola China ozenza njani China lizothola bona abantwana beRaiser ayithatha bebeka phansi bafuna Loyizo sebenza China ayithatha China iphola yakhe sebekuthumela phambili ithola scary move excellent athola computer ayithatha computer iphola yakhe uzolenza njani na ukhipha iskelemu ufuna China ayikhona the timing was right the weight of the pass was wrong uyakubona abantwana phesheya pha junior 6 ibingwe andile udembonini kophesheya phana erana kakuhle uChina kodwa nje too much power behind the ball izobele pole nabantwana be-raise up uthi uVictor ayikhona ndoda uyasondela uyumva mfana omdala izobele pole seyiphoswe ngesandla afuthe ibe nabantwana be-raise up it is a top 16 tournament abesigodini isikamamizela njalo kamthoba nhliziyo ibe nabantwana be-raise up ithatha abantwana be-raise up bethumela phambili ebekonzini esazela bephaka indoda bethumela inivi ibheka tarashishe egqiba ikhipha iphasi benhle bafumana rahale uyathatha rahale ufuna loyizo ujongene nomshebelezi shebeleza amshebelezi iphezu koloyiso lapho uthinge phesheya phambi Mr Referee wathi sotembe ilaphola sele iphumile ngaphandle izobe sibina bona abantwana baphesheya phambi tonakade yebona abantwana baphesheya phambi Mandela Junior 6 izobe nabo bona abantwana beMandela Junior 6 athola sikere muphi Mashangane enze njani Mashangane amthathe bamlekhe phansi ayikhona loyizo uthini uVictor uthi uVictor sondela uthi uVictor komiso mebro uthetha naye ngomlomo umnikeze kaphesheya phana ufaka isandla pokotshweni uVictor umnikeze yellow card umfana omdala loyiso it was unnecessary uVictor uyibethile impempe kodwa loyiso uyaqhubeka uyayikhaba ibhola ngaphezu kobe efawule uMashangane uyayideserve yellow card yena umfana omdala loyiso phezu kwebhola phesheya umfana omdala zama amabhanana uzoyithatha iphakamise elabhola phesheya uzama izame ithumela phambili ikwelentaka lebhola ibethe ngohloko Mashangane izathwela ingubane asibona Maradona striker semali lephambi komlembo wephala ibhola yakhe uyabuya kancinci Mashangane emdlalweni uyabuya usikire muvi kancinci emdlalweni uyawunyanzeleka abona abantwana bakhe phesheya phana irazo the-raise up baswitche on ngoba i-junior 6 amawinga wayo athanda babe ingozi yaxotshiwa phesheya phana the-likes of asibonge miyayiza ngaphezu kwebhola phesheya Mini Cooper imoto encane imoto yonana banti sikuphiwa gibela sami mntana mawusalusalelani akimestara bathathu la polinika sobona abantwana bakhe phesheya phana the-raise up izobena bubona abantwana bakhe phesheya phana the-raise up lophula leyo ayithatha benikeza kapatino komhango ayithatha kapatino komhango ayiqala ngasemva kothi umhlolekaya the-raise up ekwelentaka la polisa athwena ingwane ibetheka phansi sebenza mamba buthelezi jikeleza phesheya phana esathulini sebala ebeka phansi basabuke phambili bafuna loyizo ecabana sekunene enze njani loyizo sebenza phesheya phana asikere movie excellent eMashangane the defenders nightmare excellent sikere movie Mashangane 27 enze njani China yathatha ayikona China uyabona kaphesheya phaa uMashangane lapho akayifundanga ubelindele uba iyashintshwa kanti babuya kuye uMashangane uyaqala kancinci uMashangane ungena emdlalweni uzothanda uba abe ingozi kubo bona abantwana berazo asibone kaphesheya phaa loyiso lwayithe uzolenza madoda uloyiso uthola kaphesheya phaa aBenedict ozolithatha Benedict athumele phambili ekwelenteka ibhola yakhe Benedict asibone ekwelenteka sebenza China izathwena ingubane izothola 7 ayithatha 7 uthola bani uthola yena phesheya phaa Sabelo excellent defenders nightmare ayithatha ibhola yakhe phesheya phana ethola bani ethola Sabelo uyathatha Sabelo ibeka phansi uyadlula emadodeni madoda nanku Sabelo nkosi yami bavuka nje bomvu abantwana be-junior 6 semzimba wayo bathanda uba belizinyo liqaqamba kubo bona abantwana bakwephesheya phaa the-raise up bayaqala kancinci abantwana be-junior 6 bayawuphakamisa umdlalo asibone kapatino manko uyathatha ufuna phesheya phaa loyizo enze njani loyizo uyathatha uyithumela phambili izothola zama bamabhanana enze njani ke phesheya phana uyazithemba uzama tshele bhola ayiphakamise ithumele phambili ufuna phesheya phaa Maradona izawuthola ingubane ibhola yakhe ithola aloyizo enze njani uloyizo sebenza kaphesheya phaa Maradona uthi Mr Victor no put the ball down, it's a foul and give it to Razo uthi no put the ball down and give it to Razo hizo bena ngapesha pa kapitini kwa manga itade nyinga sipoda kapitini kwa manga one touch football batola rakhalo zolenza tandra khali bega panse lungi zechola manko enze tani manko aita chika chongo za kumanko aita masava kibogo asbona raise up akati kubera ngapora bena raise chola maratona traka semana funa computer enze tani computer aita kipola yake computer kala masava one touch football funa kapitini mango one touch by chicha batu make mana segment asbona raise up one touch batola rakhalo usabugia family rakhalo sasa zamani kumotera ni motera na badi kibara sasa mtana mosaru sala na neltadi ya family asbonga nyayeza ya tateshin excellent skill move mashangane serenza masema pesha pana ile tuna tebereza mshibeleze etola raise up baya pandelen raise up one touch football is a tuning bane basabugia pandelen ayala ala matota uzo serenza pesha pasa mama panana Ozo serenza se mama pana ita di pola ke tumele pamele funa maratona saka se mal pesha pana ita di pola maratona ezo bena ga pesha pana wana wote kapatini mga kala nga sebe funa pesha pana pera kiki petem enzo chano petem atumina katana chiti pega ni nivam ita di pola ke pesha pana mafuna bane ikola mia yiza enzo jani meni kupi motel na kibela sabe mtana moksa rusalelane ita di pola ke pesha pana e asbongan ezo pumela nga panken ezo bese bena bwana mtana pesha pana mandela tunya zexen abase havana azo chana pesha pana Weba pesa wetende pesa pala pesha pani bingu baze Adispuna waka Uzola sacha pesha pana Anoti mandela tunya 6 mbugele Anoti raise up Ati pole poxine Salete mandela be raise up Maza ita kumboga musamugia pambile Bachola banem Bachola rakhale Ya chata rakhale Pola kuibega pesa semia pambile Luki zingine matota na saltuni sabara Aspana rakhale Ya chata rakhale Ya nyangeza Shaikeva ngeskipping Ukona pesha pana Ufana kapteleze Ukona mpana se Newcastle Wotige pesha pa Mr. Victor. No. It is a sub ends wa kabo bana mandala mandela tunya 6 ndana basi hafana. Ye matota. Bayaibizi motengani meni kupi motio na. Bayambizi ma 7 enza table substitution. Mtobi nenda baibona yota sejo bona abe mandela tunya 6. Tunya 6 enza makona international. Uyabona denze amakola international uyangeni luka komtana se pelchamo oamba na ngepesha pa stopim wewe mtana se Croatia the last point asipana ngepesha pa teka atimina the Johnny Walker but keep walking ekati ba tumela pambele uko na ngepesha pa zama panana ekati pole yake zama panana atumela pambele funa skere kwa mashangane aiko na zama wacho walala pansi pesha pa uzama utambi luzama pansi na tuopugile Uzama utambile ezo bela pola bese bina bona mandala baga pesha pana ede raise up elikanda raise up likanda bandara be mandela junior 6 sayenze 3 ya masabs ukante raise up isenze 1 asipone ga pesha pana betata be tumela pambele iza training bane tibeteka pansi pesha pana besha ikava ngespago ebega mzino sasa lebega pansi tunitsa bano zelenza chanike ngogo uyataka chicha utimitela play on mshebeleza Otumshebeleza uzosebeleza nje aliyekele shebeleze eli phumele ngaphandle asibone la spone yase Croatia ayithatha ibola yela spone ibele wetana be raise up shayithe bakupeshe pana uChina ebiyana iphili ibola ethola stompi la spone yase Croatia othola computer but you press the wrong button to get the wrong answer asibone ngapeshe pana ekutotala computer uzolenza njani andile eqala ngasemva andile ufuna China ayithatha China ayitibonisa nozama amabanana asibone zama uyathatha zama ufika sathulise bana ethola kapatino mango raise up asabugia pambile ayilali sidota ayilali sikeva uyabathola babini phezukwakhe shayikeva ngegera nango phuma todene serenza mfana kapthelezi ezithola Lukaku mntana seBelgium serenza kapatino mango othi Mr. Referee mfana mdala eskipa sakho besele spectrum moya izobile pole besibe na bubona mandana bakapesha panta na katele mandana junior 6 azoyithatha bayibeka phansi bayikale kapesha pana bona mandana mandana junior 6 no ti mandana junior 6 ukanti no ti raise up Facebook pole pesha pa mfana mtani be pesha pa Azama Oso Azama tumela pambili pesha pa pole akibeteka phansi sebenza mandana be raise tula rakhale beka phansi lusa rakhale asibone rakhale elungu pole yake anyangeza one charge edisbone ukona ngasemva mfana mtala kapthelezi emapa ezethembe jika pesha pa umapa uthi Mr. Referee no I see you put the foot and it's a phone and give it to Mandela Junior 6 ezobeka phansi le pole bese bene bukona abantwana bakatatunga abantwana base Havana eyathatha la pole yaphakanyiswa pesha pana kuzama athola Grootman Bona eyathatha adone pole yakhe wethumela phambili kodwa nje ukhona ngasemva abenedithi distribution enhle kepeshepha ethola loyizo ayibeka phansi ibhola yakhe eloyizo ezama ukunyengeza ivesi ibhola yakhe epeshepha nam yebazama ukuya phambili eqemana sekunele razo shaya ihleva ngeskipping but Mr. Referee uthi no offside uthi Mr. Referee no offside abasana kufika kwabasana ngene esigodini esikamamizela ejabule kamthoba inhliziyo lapho esikhona khona anothi Mandela Junior 6 nothi iRaiser yathathela phole kola phansi bena mamba kaptheleza tena seNewcastle ebeka phansi elungisa ibhola yakhe mamba enyengeza ufuna Lukaku tena seBelgium asibona Lukaku uthola lasibona seCroatia iyangena lasibona seCroatia iyaphambili lasibona uyayinyengeza sebenza ngasemva iRaiser ebeka phansi ke ngowesaziwe sebala bathola Rakhale uyathathwa elungisa 316 ayikhona uthi ngizojika jika uyalibaba uyazithemba uthi Mr. Referee no I see you Oreboleta pala cheki uboni munna ibina kubona abantwana bakapeshiya phana into nakakade bona bakapatino mango abantwana beRaiser bayenyengeza ibhola ezathona ngubani uthi Mr. Referee play on uyaphuma uzama emapalini nkosi yami uzama nangu umhlolo kaphuma ekhaya ugoalkeeper akekho esipalini sebenza mshebelezi ebetheka phansi lebhola peshiya phana ezathona ngubani ibina no China excellent the defenders nightmare masangana scary move the defenders nightmare masangana scary move excellent uyathatha chinta ezathona ngubani ufuna basweliwe bayayithatha ibhola kabathe ethola Rakhale ibeka phansi anisibona Rakhale uyathatha elungisa ubuzolenza njani uthi uyahamba noma uyasala uyathatha iqala ngasemva Rakhale uthi Roloni iqala ngasemva umntana beRaiser bazolenza njani one-touch football bazama ukuya phambili shika ngendoda uyaliveza ubeka phansi bayaliveza futhi sebenza pesha phazama wamabanana ayibamba nje kalula lebhola leyo pesha phana uzama ayibamba nje kalula uzama ugoalkeeper phethe 80,000 epokothweni uthabisho tenyane bekahamba nawo amaninja uzama wamabanana beyithatha nje kahle anisibone kepesha phana ecomputer ozolenza njani kepesha pha computer uyathatha chinto ufuna badze asibone walk up hayi khona badze yamaphasi wakhe wavuma into kwaphela akhona enye ebe successive iphasi yakhe ubadze kodwa uya overlap esingathi isithini yasibone sazini sibaluthola kapatino manje beka phansi luse kapatino manje ethatha ejikeleza eshintsha kepesha phana omdlalo kapatino eyibuyisela futhi kuloyizo ozolenza njani eloyizo nathi boli betheka phansi eyilungisa uloyizo uthi Mr. Referee uchinge peshe boso mbebe ufake mbebe mlomeni akayivuthele izothola kapatino mango sebenza buthelezi asibone Lukaku yathatha uthola mamba buthelezi uyasibone mamba buthelezi uyathatha mamba buthelezi ikhipha kishini thutha kishabu uthola lasibone seCroatia beka phansi elungisa sibombi asibone lasibone seCroatia ngene madoda nyini lasibone ethola Lukaku ayithatha Lukaku ufuna computer anisibone computer mfana wathuna mageba ango jika thonga kubu computer uthi Mr. Victor no put the ball down and fall and give it to Mandela Junior 6 izobeka phansi lapho leyo sibene computer uthi kepesha pha uVictor ndifuna kule ndawo uthi uVictor I'm the man in charge uthethe okusalayo I'm the man in charge uthi uVictor I'm the man in charge uzothetha uthethe okusalayo ekugqibeleni I'm the one who's getting the whistle I'm the whistle blower usho kanjalo uVictor asibone kepesha phazama wamabanana uzama uyarisk uzama uyayithatha zama uyayivezela ibhola nkosi yami ibiyena uBenedict uyayithatha uyayithumela uBenedict izothona ngubani nansi betheka phansi pesha phana ibiyena abantwana beRaiser ebeka phansi belungisa abantwana beRaiser izothona ngubani nanti kepesha phana jika thonga kwesakhe bayithatha ke ngoku beqale hafini yabo efika sezwini sebaliphola yakhe itolo kapatino umhango ayithatha imango enyengeza sebenza mfana kabuthelezi ethumela phambili nansi betheka phansi qinqela kodiyambo kontantane iyafika ipikile kepesha pha goalkeeper Benedict ayithatha kepesha phana Benedict uhleli phansi kepesha pha jersey number 14 uhleli phansi umntana bakepesha pha umntana beRaiser leqanda mbukele kuRaiser leqanda nakubona abantwana bakepesha phana yeMandela Junior kuthe abo referee kuthe ama organizer kuthe nama commentator ukudla mhlekazi it doesn't matter isisu siyagcwala it doesn't matter okusalayo isisu siyagcwala bekishintshe kepesha pha bona abantwana beMandela Junior 6 bayamkhipha scary move mashangane bafaka kepesha pha asipheshi afaka usiphelele uzombona ke bese yapha usiphelele uvamisile kusiphelele ukwenza ama dangerous crosses asazi namhlanje kuzowenza na kusini yasibona ke bese yapha Rakhale ethathe phambili ibhola yakhe bese yapha uthi Mr. Player United enyanga asebenza China athi ibhola bese yapha nedibana nobani edibana nake bese yapha Sabelo ayithatha uSabelo ufuna computer eyajika ucomputer ayibeka phansi bese yapha na computer ku-computer uthi Mr. Victor no Rakhale I see you uthi computer mayibeka phansi manje dibe nathi le bhola ayithathe phakamise ucomputer ufuna walk up ayithathe ulungisa walk up wanta football asibone Lukaku bethe madoda le player akhe Lukaku ibese iphumela ngaphandle izodala ke bese yapha akhona kick yabo bona abantwana beMandela a junior 6 izobena bona abantwana beMandela junior 6 ikhubuze mbukeli andimazi andizifakazi ezomhlekazi nikhumbuza umbukeli apha esikhoyo kusesigodini nansi ibhola kepesha phana igotiwe bethe ngonhloko pesha pha ayikhona ezophumela ngaphandle. It is a top 16 tournament xa beyibiza bathi it's a kick against crime tournament. We are trying to fight against crime in our communities. Nansi ibhola pesha phana ibese ibena bubona abantwana bekopesha phana bona abantwana kadele raise up izobena bubona abantwana be raise up uVictor kunento ayibonayo enethini yemhlekazi uyabona indaba yamanethi ekhona into eyenzeka last week udlala izone 3 eMozambique Aliens ibhola andazi noma ingenile noma ingenanga kodwa kuthiwa iheda sebuya phakathi nansi ibhola pesha phana izobe sebena bubona abantwana be raise up ayithethe bethumela phambili ukhona ngasemva kepesha phana uzama ukhona ngasemva uzama amabhanana uzolenza njani kepesha pha azama ayithatha ibhola yakhe ezama iphakamisa ethumela phambili lethe konke pesha pha bese bethe kapani dibano kapatino mango elungise pesha pha nomango ezothola ibandi le Razors bayithatha beyiveza abantwana be Razors nansi ibhola ibethe kaphansi -1 -2 sebenza ngasemva pesha phana uwalker ezofumana Sabelo kethi kulobela ngabhola Sabelo uyathatha uyayiveza pesha pha kapatino mango ezobe noChina uChina uyathatha head ibhola ezothola ibani uthi Mr. Referee no uthi Mr. Referee ngiyakubona wena ufaka inyawo abanye befaka inhloko unekarate eninzi sayithatha lapho lasiningise bona abantwana be Razors free kick esendaweni ethatha babe ingozi uyinike bona abantwana be Razors
sure malika anyani phela ya
izothatha lapho linike abantwana be Razors ethatha babe ingozi kayilandawo uyibalile kepesha phana udoma lakhe uyalungisa uzama edisibona kepesha pha izothola imbani lebhola leyo bami phezu kebhola babini ngumango noRakhale bangayigoba kusini bangayithumela direct kusini azazi edisibona madoda umango uyayithatha ugoba sebenza kepesha phana izobena lasibona yaseCroatia uStopi bayithatha bayetshintsha abantwana be Razors ibuyela kepesha pha Loyiso iyayithatha ibeka phansi elungisa Loyiso uzayithina ibhola yakhe eLoyiso bayayibiza ababini phezu kwebhokisini uyayithatha egoba uLoyiso izothola hayi khona izobena abantwana be junior 6 izoba i-goal kick nanke phezu kwebhola pesha pha zama amabhanana iqanda ngapha iqanda nangapha uzoyithatha ephakamise pesha phana goalkeeper zama uzayithatha ayiphakamise pesha pha goalkeeper ozama amabhanana uyayithatha ayiphakamise ibhola yakhe nansi ayibuyela ngapesha phana uyabantwana be Razors ayisibone Razors bazalithini na uyalivala shayileva babini phezu kwakhe uyabavala uphinde uyalivula futhi uyalithatha uyaligoma nansi ibhola yakhe ebhokisini izathola ingwane khona uLukaku ayithatha lebhola ayicishe uLukaku izobuyela abantwana be Razors ayithatha bethola mango ayibeka emzini wasazela sebenza Lukaku ayithatha ibhola yakhe Lukaku uthola computer andile ayithathe andile ufuna splash yenze njani splash ayibeka phansi splash uzabuya phambili splash uzolenza njani hayi khona splash uyayiluza ibhola splash izobuyela bani ukhona Walker ngasemva madoda Walker nansi pesha phana ibethe ngenhloko ibese ibethe kaphansi ibuyela noLukaku ayithatha ibhola kaLukaku uthi Mr. Referee no put the ball down, it's a foul and give it to Mandela Junior 6 izobena bobona batana Mandela Junior 6 azoyithatha bayibeka phansi yebona batana bekepeshe pade Mandela a Junior 6 isiqingatha sona sesesibini umdlalo wona ngowesibini izothatha la bola biyena kepeshe pa Azama wamabanana edisibone Zama zolenza njani uyayithatha Azama ebola yakho ithumela phambili peshe pa izatshani ngibani kolentaka la bola disibone sebenza ngenhloko peshe phana uthini kepeshe pa umncedisi kaSompempe khona kick ningazobona abantwana beMandela Junior 6 khona kick ningazobona abantwana beMandela Junior 6 izobela phala peshe pa pesibona nguye peshe pa Astompi elasiboni yaseCroatia ethi lasiboni ifuna ukuziphakamisela ethi lasiboni ifuna ukuyiphakamisa ngokwayo phakamisa peshe phana ayibambe yeke unozinti izobena kepeshe pa ugoalkeeper weRazor madoda nansi bethe ndodeni ibhola uyambiza uVictor unikeza uMamba iyellow card izobeka phansi la bola izobesebena bobona abantwana beRazor edisibone kepeshe phana ibona abantwana beRazor ohleli phansi kepeshe pa Gritman Dona kakunje Mandela Junior 6 basena abantu esitulweni usekhona peshe phana uBobster Mshebelezi ozoyithatha iposi kesandla Mshebelezi uyayithatha iposi ibhola yakhe ibiyena abantwana beRazor uyayithatha beyibeka phansi Thengisile idibana noLeyiso ayithatha iphakamisa ibhola yakhe Leyiso nansi betheka phansi besamike phambili kebela sethethe athatha goalkeeper eboxini sebenza Mamba ubuthelezi izakhwele ngibani Shayikeva ngesibhako bakwethu Shayikeva ngesibhako ayibeka phansi abantwana beRazor uzama ukujika ayilahla phansi indoda uthi Mr Victor no put the ball down it's fala give it to Razor izobena bobona abantwana beRazor lo bhola leyo isendaweni engengozi tu kwaphela kodwa xa ingafumana nje ukudlala ngokuhlakanipha engathani babe ingozi kubantwana beJunior 6 kodwa uyabona unayi height ke peshe phana uLukaku ukhona ke naye ke peshe pa chini namana abantwana beRazor ukhona noMamba ukhona naye ke peshe pa ucomputer edisibone bona abantwana beRazor bazolenza njani engabe yozela maduna wanya mathokazi kusini le bhola yabo bona abantwana bepeshe pa beRazor Lekanda kuRazor lekanda abantwana beMandela Junior 6 yathatha kokele bhola eboxini madoda sebenza Zama wamabanana uzolenza njani peshe pa ibhola lakhe hayi mumatha kabini uSompempe hayi mumatha kathathu athi phela kanjalo kumdlalo lekanda abantwana beMandela Junior 6 lekanda abantwana beRazor sakhona kepeshe phana